Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called Aircall, and this is the best business phone and communication platform, and using this you can easily get your communications sorted. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards on this platform, so make sure to try that out. Now talking about this platform, communication is super important and you can get your custom numbers and your integrations using this platform, so it is going to be everything automated. Now communication platforms are highly effective for the business who are highly dependent on communicating with their clients and potential leads. And if you have your tools like for example your Zapier, Slack, and all that other integrations, so let me show you as well. They have HubSpot as well, and wide range of other integrations as well that you can incorporate with your business of communication and get your sales even highly affecting and get more chances of getting the results that you are wanting. So you can leverage your insights and get better idea of your business by the statistical view that is provided inside this platform. So this is something that I highly recommend and you should try out. So give it a try. Head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards on Aircall. Thank you so much for watching guys, and until next time, take care and see you in the next video.